Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sabah Rupani, a general surgery resident, and today we have with us Dr. Sana Parveen. Dr. Sana has done her MBBS from JNMC Wardha. She further completed her MD Anatomy from Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur. She is currently a senior resident at St. G.S. Medical College and KEM Hospital, Mumbai. Hello, Dr. Sana. Welcome. It's great having you here.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
So we all know anatomy as our first year subjects, where I remember we used to remember all the origin and insertions of various bones and muscles.
Yeah.
And the best part was the dissection hall where you used to go and dissect the cadavers. But I think anatomy is a lot more than this, and we have a separate postgraduate branch known as MD Anatomy. So let's dig further of what exactly anatomy is. Like, what made you choose anatomy as your career option?
Yeah, so choosing anatomy as a career because I love to teach, because teaching is my passion, you can say. So because whenever I go and teach these students, now I feel very happy. So that is the thing. Maybe that is the thing I chose anatomy. But then you will say ki teaching can be in other subjects also. You may think na, because there is other lectures like, but choosing anatomy is because there will be a work-life balance also, because in clinical subject you don't get this much time. But I am not saying that in anatomy you will get plenty of time. Yes, there will be stress, there will be depression. I mean, there will be stress, there will be some sort of complaints or something like that. You may have more work in the department. Sometimes there is a free time because of the summer vacation of the students and winter vacation. But overall, if you see na, then it is if you need peace, in life, then you can choose this branch.
Perfect. So post anatomy, what are the further options like? Like once somebody completes his or her MD anatomy and comes out in the market, what are the various options that a person can perceive?
Yeah, so after anatomy, you can go for the embryology, like in IVF sections, you can go there, and while doing the course of the embryology, you can become an embryologist there. And then you will become like you will handling the patients. So it is not a non-clinical subject. So you can do that. Then you can go for research also if you want to go to abroad. So this is a good option, because for research purpose you can go. Then also you can do, then there are various things in anatomy, like we don't know as a MBBS student. So we don't give importance to that, how the cadavers are embalmed. Okay, but we do that. And it is not only for the college or teaching purpose, because the embalming is what. So if there is a dead body but it has to get transported to somewhere else for the funeral, so it is not directly transported. Now there is embalmed. So in airport, anatomists are needed. So this is the thing. There are various career opportunities, like you can go for the genetics. There is genetical labs also, so you can go for that. So anatomy as a career option, it is a good. And I have already said that if you want a work life balance, and you need, because everyone need peace. Why we work, why we study till here, and why we are earning. If you are stressful, so it is it good for you that you are earning well but you don't have time to spend it, or you don't have time to get peace? Every time there is a in your brain कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है, टेंशन वगैरह. So I'm not saying that कि anatomy आके you will be very peaceful life, आप कोई संत बन जाओगे. It is not like that. I'm not saying that, but yes, you will get peace. You will find your peace.
All right. Like you said, it is a very good work-life balance that we get out of it. And you have literally put down very beautifully all the branches, which a lot of people don't know. Like I personally didn't know that embryology and genetics and
Yeah.
all of this in anatomy. So that is
Yeah.
something very new. for me as well. And apart from this, I've also seen people, because of AI and all of it, they're building 3D apps which teaches complete anatomy of human body, in
Yes.
which anatomy is needed for the entire proper education. That is also something that I think people are going for. And now that we've spoken about embalming the bodies and all of it,
Yes.
like how exactly are cadavers bought? Is there a particular procedure where we all as first years get cadavers for dissection and the embalming is done? So from where do we get cadavers in our medical colleges? And I have seen few times that like we read in the news, like certain illegal issues happen where people at night have dug in the graves and got out the bodies to sell. So
Okay.
there is some legal issue to it as well, right? So what is it exactly?
Yeah, so for the cadavers which we dissect in the dissection hall, so it is not like that we dig it from the grave and now we are doing it. No, it is not like that. So no, I'm just joking. So the thing is, we do some campaigning, like body donation program is there. So we get there is a campaigning. So people get to know that there is a thing in which you can donate your whole body, and that if you are donating your body, so it it is a very nice thing for the society, because after getting your body there are 200 students or 250 students are there, so they are doing dissection and they are learning from your body, so it is a very beautiful thing for anyone to do. Then, so first of all, we get aware the people that there is a body donation program. Some of them they agree to do it. Some of them are don't agree to do it. So, whoever gets agree to do it, they come to the department. Then they fill a body donation form. Okay, so then we give them a body donator card. It is said, sorry, body donor card. We give them. So, so it is like that. If whenever they will be no more, so their family will inform us and they will bring their body to us, and then we may so there is different kind of setup. Like when I was doing my PG, so in my that college we gave the ambulance, the fare of ambulance we used to give, but it is not given everywhere, so I am not stating that it is a universal rule to give money, but it is so it is like that. So family members, they bring the body to you, then you accept it with respectfully, very respectfully. We handle the family very respectfully, because still whenever still the right to the body is going to the family, because the one who has given the right that I want to donate the body, but he is now dead, so the right to give the body is now to the family. अगर उसकी family members या उनकी wife या उनके husband ऐसा कहेंगे कि no, we don't want to give, so that time we can't argue, no, you have to give. No, we will accept that very, very respectfully. So in this way, we get the body. Then after accepting the body, we do the embalming. So if you don't know how to do the embalming, so we do it through the common carotid artery. We give the incision in the neck, or we can do it from the femoral artery also. So we inject 10% formalin into it. Yes.
Yeah, that is what used to make all of us have teary eyes in the section hall, because it was formalin.
Yeah, because of that. Yes.
But it was very beautiful, because I think my anatomy first day of dissection was when I held the scalpel for the first time, and today as a surgeon I hold every day. So I think the journey started from there, from the first day where I started my dissection.
Yes.
So,
Because whenever you hold the scalpel for the first time, now you feel like a doctor, you feel like a surgeon. Because I used to see my students whenever they hold a scalpel, so they click photos. So I used to say them, then don't put this as a story like this is my surgery and all. So we used to tell them.
so like I remember when I was in IGMC in my first year. So that day when I got the entire heart out, I was holding the heart and clicking a picture, and I got scolded very badly by my professor, because it should when we should respect the body, but we as students are very excited about it and tend to do it, but
Yes.
then we delete it on.
So it is very exciting to see na ki we are seeing the heart for the first time, because we used to see heart as a red color ka, it is that shape. No, it is not like that. So yeah, students get excited about it, but we cannot allow them to click the photos because it will be disrespectful there for the cadaver. So that is why.
Yes. What about the bone set that is circulated? Like we all have our own bone set during first years.
Yes.
And
Yes.
while we used to study and the house help used to clean the room, she used to say, keep that away because I'm not going to touch it. And she used to be very scared of it. But we
Yes.
as medical students never felt the same. But where are these bone sets bought from and how do we get it?
Yeah, so those bone sets are from the cadavers, because when you are done with the dissection, so the bone will be remaining in that body. So some worker, they will clean it, then it can be circulated. But it is not like that. Every cadaver we used to get the bones, because when you have the bone, then in the second year you don't need it, so you will sell it to your juniors. So it is for like that. It can go. And
All
there are
right.
artificial bones also. Artificial bones sets are also there in the market.
Okay. Okay. Maybe at our time we didn't have an exposure to it. We used to use the real ones, but I
Yes,
think it's great to have artificial ones which are exactly similar. We can use them as well.
yes.
All right. So towards the end, do you have any take-home message for all the aspirants who would wish to take anatomy as their career option?
Yes, I would suggest that there is a job satisfaction in anatomy. Definitely, I'm not joking and I'm not building it up. So there is a job satisfaction when you go to a lecture theater, or you are taking demo of the students na. So whenever you go, you see the students, and when you teach them, so and there are bright students and there are weak students. There are two types of students, you know. So when the weak students, they used to give you answers when you ask them questions that what I taught you, and at the end of your lecture, when they gave you answer, now it will give you a very good reward, because you will feel कि मैंने उनको जो बताया, and that the weak student is able to answer me, so that means you are succeeded in that lecture. So I used to do that. So that is why I love this teaching branch. So that is why. And also, yeah, there is job satisfaction, there is work-life balance. I have already, yeah, and also you will get a non-toxic environment in the department, because everyone knows that in clinical branches there may be some toxicity. I'm not saying in all colleges like that, but yeah. So in anatomy, you never hear ki someone is depressed or someone is stressed. Yeah, stress and depression are maybe out of the professional life, but yeah, you in professional life you will get a very friendly environment, I think, in every college, because for MBBS students you see anatomy as a very strict department, but when you become the faculty now, you will see, no, we are strict for the students, but under SNE it is very nice.
All right. Perfect. I think whenever I go to my operation theater, I always wish that the importance that I had given to anatomy is the first year was very less.
Yes,
And maybe
yes.
if I have a posting again for a month in anatomy from surgery,
Yes.
I would be really, really glad, because every time I operate, I feel like we are so blessed when we get the cadavers, and when we dissect, we can see everything on the dead body. But in first years, we are very immature to understand the importance of it. But today I know it, and I always feel like maybe we should also have a posting in anatomy as surgery residents, so that we can learn more of every anatomical detail of the body.
Yes, this is the thing, because anatomy is used in every clinical subject.
Yes.
Without anatomy, you cannot do anything. So this is the thing.
Yes. All right. On this beautiful note, I think we shall end here. Thank you so much for joining in, Dr. Sana.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.